Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Coming to Nifty chart on a 15 minutes time frame. Nifty opened on a positive note and continued to consolidate in the first half. Second half, you can see Nifty movement upside and got stronger by end of the session. Today again Nifty failed to cross all-time high, that was 18,887. Coming to Bank Nifty opened gap up today, and previously we had a resistance here and it has break this resistance, and one more swing. We have previously swing high also. Bank Nifty today it has broken and we can see upside movement in Bank Nifty. Coming to Fin Nifty today Fin Nifty opened gap up. Previously we had a stronger resistance here. Fin Nifty has broken this resistance and initially we can see some consolidation and it gave a break up this previous resistance, and also it break this previous swing high as well. Today we can see Fin Nifty has broken all-time high and closed above all-time high. Coming to tomorrow's level, if tomorrow Nifty breaks today's high, we can expect Nifty to reach all-time high, and suppose if it breaks all-time high, we can expect further rally in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty for tomorrow level, tomorrow if it breaks today's high, we can expect Bank Nifty to reach this next resistance around 44,400 levels. Today the main reason in bullish in Bank Nifty was due to a heavy weightage stocks like Bank Nifty and ICICI were strong, and again Axis Bank were supported. Thank you all, see you tomorrow.